my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. Put your drink, got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Ain't gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose. We're back with another video, and as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing February's monthly giveaway. And guys, keep in mind the day that it starts is the day that I will end in the next month. I'm still trying to get this whole monthly giveaway thing together, so yeah, I was a little bit late on picking the winner for January. I've been going through a lot with my mental health and my personal life, so please bear with me. I'm still going through it, and yeah, I'm still trying to keep myself together. So let's get started with the 5 products. Yes, 5 products. You guys know my giveaways will vary from 1 to 5 products every month. So this month is 5 products. So let's get into the products. Okay, so first we have a gel eyeliner from AOA Studio in the shade Dark Brown. It is a nice dark brown. I tried using it, but it really didn't work for me. This is a brand new one. I have my own. I'm going to try again. Maybe I have to like break it in or something. So that is the first prize. Next is going to be the AOA Studio Nude Soft Base Eye Primer. I have my own open. Used it already. Love it. And I think you guys will love it as well. Then these are 2 separate products, but they kind of work in conjunction with each other. So you have the Glamnetic lashes in the style Baby Girl. Really cute and wispy, kind of natural type of lashes. Then you have the Glamnetic Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner. It goes with it. I think this set like was $68 in BoxyCharm, or $63, which is ridiculous. And last but not least, the monthly palette is from Profusion. This is the Chocolates palette. It's a 21 shade palette, and it also does come with a brush. So there are the shades. I'm trying not to like blind you with my ring light, but that is what these shades look like. Really, really pretty. I don't have this palette. I do own Profusion palettes, but not this one in particular. But it looks really, really pretty. I kind of want to keep it. But this is for my lovely Rose family. So if you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed. I will check. Leave a comment down below saying what city you're from. Leave your cities down below. I want to know where all my Rose family is from. And comment done, and leave your Instagram handle or email or any way I can contact you to let you know that you won the giveaway. And that is all you have to do. So if you guys enjoyed this video, or you want to enter the video, whatever, you guys already know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Can you play that again? Give me some vibe, baby. We've been through the 305.